Good evening, aspirants. Welcome to the daily prelims current affairs program brought to you by Ekam IAS. Today we will be covering a few topics from 3rd and 4th of July 2018. So the topics are listed here. Let's have a quick look. The first one is Asia Pacific Trade Agreement. Then we have Kaveri Water Management Authority, Purchasing Managers Index, SeeVisual App, Systematic Voters Education and Electoral Participation, MOVE Global Mobility Summit, and finally we have Kudangulam Nuclear Power Plant. The first topic is Asia Pacific Trade Agreement. Asia Pacific Trade Agreement is signed in the year 1975, but it is very much important for this year's prelims because it came into existence, or it will come into effect in this year, that is this July 2018. So we will have a detailed discussion regarding this Asia Pacific Trade Agreement. This Asia Pacific Agreement was signed in the year 1975, as I said earlier, and it was as an initiative of ESCAPE. ESCAPE is United Nations Economic and Social Commission for Asia and Pacific. ESCAPE. It is nothing but a regional development arm of United Nations for Asia and Pacific region, for the development of Asia and Pacific region. So coming back to Asia Pacific Trade Agreement, it was previously known as Bangkok Agreement. It aims to promote economic development among the parties through adoption of trade liberalization measures. It aims to promote economic development among the countries, among the parties through trade liberalization measures, and thus bring trade expansion and economic integration among the countries, among these countries. So, who are all the parties to the agreement? Who are all the countries involved in this agreement? They are Bangladesh, China, India, Laos, Mongolia, and Sri Lanka and Republic of Korea. The countries of this agreement are very much important for the prelims. How UPSC can ask question from this topic? So here is a model question. Which of the following countries are a part of Asia Pacific Trade Agreement? So the options are Bangladesh, Mongolia, Afghanistan, India, and Indonesia. So UPSC can also ask in another way, like it will ask India is a party of which of the following agreements. So and they can give 2-3 options like Asia Pacific Trade Agreement, Trans-Pacific Partnership, RCEP, etc. So please keep in mind that India is a signatory of Asia Pacific Trade Agreement, and also remember the other countries involved in this agreement. Hope you can answer this question easily. The next topic is Kaveri Water Management Authority. So recently the first meeting of this Kaveri Water Management Authority has been conducted, and they have said Karnataka to release some quantity of water to other states. So it is the Kaveri Water Management Authority is also very much important for the prelims. We will discuss more about this authority. The Kaveri Water Management Authority was constituted by Union government in order to share water of Kaveri River among 4 states, 3 states and a union territory. They are Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, and Union Territory of Puducherry. These 4 parties of the issues are very much important. They are Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, and Union Territory of Puducherry. Puducherry is also involved. So this authority works by monitoring, regulating, and supervising the release of water from Kaveri. So regarding the organizational structure of this authority, the authority consists of 1 chairman and 8 other members. Among 8 members, 4 will be appointed by the union government and 4 will be from state, the 4 states involved. And the members appointed by state will be part-time members. And the members from the 4 members appointed by center, 2 will be full-time and 2 will be part-time members. Regarding the chairman will be a senior engineer or an IAS officer, and he has a tenure of 5 years, or till he attains an age of 65 years. So some facts regarding Kaveri River. Kaveri is a east-flowing river which originates in Brahmagiri range, which is in Karnataka state. It flows for about 750 to 800 kilometer, and through states of Karnataka and Tamil Nadu, and then it flows through Bay of Bengal. So it has a few left bank and right bank tributaries. UPSC has a trend of asking tributaries of major Indian rivers. So please Please take a note of it. The major left bank tributaries are Hemavati, Shimsha, Arkavati and Harangi. And major right bank tributaries are Kabani, Bhavani, Amaravati, etc. The next topic is Purchasing Managers Index. Purchasing Managers Index is an index which indicates about the health of the economic activity, particularly the activities of manufacturing and service sector. The major objective behind the issuance of this Purchasing Managers Index is to provide information to purchasing managers regarding the economic condition, the business condition, the current business condition. That's it. So it is calculated separately for manufacturing and service sector. The base of the index is taken as 50. So any point, any index below 50 is seen as contraction of economic activity, and any point above 50 is seen as expansion of economic activity. So last month, that is June, has shown a considerable expansion of economic activity, which shows a point of 53, around 53 for manufacturing sector. This Purchasing Managers Index is published by a Japanese company called Nikkei by collecting monthly data, monthly surveys of some major companies. Next topic is SeeVisual App. The SeeVisual App is launched by Election Commission of India. The major objective behind launch of such an application is to report any violation of Model Code of Conduct during the elections. We will discuss about Model Code of Conduct later. So coming back to this SeeVisual application, it is an application which can be used by anyone. So it came into operation. It will be operational when the election is being announced anywhere in India. So a citizen can use this application when he sees a violation of this Model Code of Conduct anywhere. He can take video or picture of the violation and can upload in this application, through this application. Another feature of this application is that it uses automated location mapping. That is, it can trace the location of the user. So all the data, that is the location, the evidence, that is video or the image, together is sent to the control unit. So all the data is uploaded to this app, that is either the evidence, that is the picture or the video regarding a violation of the Model Code of Conduct, along with the location, is forwarded to a control room, to the control room, and the control room sends this information to a field unit. The field unit will immediately reach the location and investigate regarding the violation of Model Code of Conduct. So that's all about the app. So what is this Model Code of Conduct? Model Code of Conduct is a set of instructions or guidelines which the candidate or the political parties has to obey or has to follow during the time of election. So the Model Code of Conduct come into place when the election is declared till the entire process of election is completed. So some examples of Model Code of Conduct are the serving of liquor during the time of election is refrained. Also the political party or the candidate should not involve in any hate speech or should not use religious or caste sentiments to get vote in their favor. If they do so, the Election Commission can take action, including some offences can attract criminal cases as well. The next topic is systematic voters education and electoral participation. It is a program launched by Election Commission of India. So the main objective of this application, as its name suggests, is voter education. That is spreading awareness and promoting voter literacy in India. It works by educating the people regarding the importance of voting and thus motivate them to vote. And thus it aims to bring a democracy which is more participative in nature. It works by carrying out voters' behavior survey and thus tracing out the reason behind low voting in some regions. And thus the target regions are identified and many programs are conducted in that region. Some other programs, some other activities of this sweep includes carrying out debates or competitions like art, music or dance or including songwriting in public as well as in institutions to promote young generation to vote. For that, they involve civil societies like NGOs or medias to serve the purpose. Next topic is Move Global Mobility Summit. So India is launching its first Global Mobility Summit, MOVE, in this September 2018. It is organized by Niti Aayog, and that is the most vital point here. The main organizer of this MOVE Global Mobility Summit is Niti Aayog. The summit is all about bringing a clean energy economy, a green energy economy, by promoting electric vehicles and renewable energy, and also creating jobs in this sector. It also has a program called Momentum, which is an expo which showcases future technologies and cutting edge innovations in this field. The last topic for the day is Kudankulam Nuclear Power Plant. Kudankulam Nuclear Power Plant is one of the largest nuclear power plant in India, and it is located in Tirunelveli district of Tamil Nadu. It is developed and operated by Nuclear Power Corporation of India. It consists of 2000 megawatt pressurized water reactor. So what is this pressurized water reactor? In some reactors, there uses only one system of water. That is, the same water is used for drawing heat from the reactor and making electricity. Here it uses two system of water. That is, one system of water passes through the reactor and draws all the heat and transfers it to another system. And this system of water absorbs all the heat, and it is converted into steam and passes through the turbine to generate electricity. The advantage of doing so is that the radioactivity will be confined to the reactor area only. The water which is ejected as steam will not contain any radioactive property, and that is the best advantage of this pressurized water reactor. So that's all for today. For more news and detailed explanation, please go through our daily prelims current affairs material, which you can find it in the link attached below. Thanks for watching.